This video will show you how to use Uvision Landscaping Photo. First, take a picture of the area you want to landscape using your cell phone or digital camera. Next, upload the photo to your computer using directions provided with your camera. To import a photo, click Start a New Design using the wizard. Follow the wizard prompts until you have successfully uploaded your photo. This wizard will make a copy of your picture. If you change the original, you can re-import it using this wizard. Your photo is now ready to be landscaped. Use the middle mouse wheel to zoom in and out and hold it down to pan. To add grass, click Region. Left-click to place points to create the outline of your region. Right-click to place the last point. Select this image to get a large selection of different materials. Make your selection and then click OK. To edit the look of the material, you can use these options. Then, click Region again to add a flower bed. Select this image to change the material for a flower bed. Make your selection and then click OK. Left-click to place points. Right-click to place the last point. Click Edit Points. Select the point or points you wish to edit. Click Bezier for a smooth, controlled curve. Left-click and hold the blue handle and drag. To add edging, click Edging. Left-click to place points. And right-click to place the last point. Use this option to change the height of your edging. Click this image to change your material. Make your selection and then click OK. You can adjust the look of the material by using these sliders. Add a plant, click Plant. Then click this plant image and it will take you to a large selection of different plants. To easily find a specific plant, you can use this search option. You can search by common or botanical name. Enter the name and then click Search. Make your selection and then click OK. Left-click to place your plant. You can adjust the plant size using this green box. Here is the design after more plants have been added. To add 3D objects such as cars, fencing, or furniture, click Accessory. You can choose from a large selection of different accessories. Make your selection and then click OK. Next, left-click to place the accessory. Then, you can adjust its size and rotation using these tools. By default, objects are drawn in the order that you added them, but that's easy to change. For example, if you want this plant to appear in front of the bench, select the plant and then click Bring to Front. You can also change the drawing order in small increments by pressing the F for forward and B for backward keys on the keyboard. When you are finished with your design, you can either print it or export it to a JPEG or PDF file. Anything extending into this area will not be printed. Here is the completed landscape design. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed designing your landscape.